Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal Hussain, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Scholarship School and College, Dhanmohri, Dhaka. My dear students, most welcome to all of you. And this is the first class with you in this Ramadan. So I wish all of you happy Ramadan Mubarak. So my dear students, please let me know top line of the board, right side, left side, light and sound quality, is everything okay? Can we start our class formally? Please in the comment section you can give your attendance, and also you can invite your friends to connect with us. Within a short time we will start our class formally. So inshallah today we will discuss here exercise 1.5 academic book page number 36, the content related with the multiplication, division, simplifications and HCF, LCM of two or more fractions. So my dear students, please let me know everything is okay or not. So inshallah today we will discuss multiplication, division and simplification, how to find the HCF and LCM of two or more fractions. So my dear students, I think all of you know how to find the multiplication of two or more fractions. I think already you have got my informations. In last class we have done mistake in the question number B. Then I have uploaded the corrections of the question number B from exercise 1.4. So dear students, if you miss these corrections, please review this one, question number 11 from exercise 1.4, given in the correction question number B and C. So inshallah today we will discuss here 1.5. So our this content is basically related, like if we do here multiplication. Multiplication of two or more fractions. So my dear students, if we do multiply here, like 3 by 2 multiply 4 by 3 multiply 16 by 5. So please, this guys, basically these are the multiplication of two or more fractions. Or we can write down here number 2, like 15 multiply 16 by 15. Or another one we can write, this is the format is 3 by 2 multiply is another like 4 by 3 or 4 by 2, and this is now 10 by 12. So this basically, these are the multiplication of two or more fractions. So see here, the 15 is a numerical number, but we can imagine there is invisible, denominator is 1. So my dear students, in the comment section you can write how many students can do number A, number B and number C, that is A1, 2 and 3. So dear students, if possible, please try question number A, 1, 2 and question number 3. In the comment section you can write the answer. Multiplication of two or more fractions. Reciprocal method, yes. Roker says yes, I can do. Thank you so much, my dear students. Please do question number 1 and question number 2, question number 3. I think this one will be 3. In the comment section you can write your answer. Yes sir, Farjana Sultan, yes, maximum students you said you can do this one. Please do this one. What is the answer of number first question answer, and the second question, and this is the third questions. So if we do now number 1, the first content, multiplication of two or more fractions. First question, 3 by 2, like 3 by 2 multiply 4 by 3 and multiply 16 by 5. So now that means multiply, you can eliminate denominator and numerator, or you can divide numerator and denominator with the same number. Like if we divide this one by 3, and you have to divide another denominator by same number 3. If you divide by this one by 2, and you have to divide another denominator by 2. So numerator and denominator should be multiplied or should be divided by the same number. So now this is called the reduced form. If we divide this one, 3 1 times 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3, and we can divide this one 4. This is the 2 times 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. And now there is a 2 and there is 5 denominator. There is 16, there is 1 and 5. So we cannot divide anymore. Now in the upper we see 1 multiply 2 multiply 5. So we can write here 1 multiply 2 multiply 16. And denominator part 1 multiply 5. So 1 multiply 5. And now result will be 16 2 times 32 divided by 5, and convert now this one into the improper fraction to mixed fractions. Improper fraction to mixed fraction, this one will be 6, then 5, and there is a 2, and this is our answer. My dear students, the first question answer is 6 whole and 2 by 5. So please, I will review your comments. Is it okay? Three a 1 whole 6 whole 2 by 5. Fatima bint Noor ID থেকে লিখছো স্যার নাম্বার 3. Oh yes, already you have done. Thank you so much sir. Will we write this? Definitely. Nazma Khan ID থেকে বলছো sir, will yes definitely. Please write down the all questions and all clear. Thank you so much. Okay sir. Sir, I didn't understand Tajwar Muntasir. Tajwar Muntasir said, sir, I didn't understand. But এখানে দেখো, first we divide 4 by 2. That is the 2 times. We divide 4 by 2. That means 2 times 2 2s are 4. And 3 divided by 3, answer is 1. That is 3 1 times, or 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. 16 cannot be divided by any denominators, and this 5 cannot be divided by any numerators. So all denominators multiply here and all numerators multiply here. Numerator are 1 2 and 16, 1 2 16 and 1 1 5. So doing now, this is the mixed fraction converter. This improper fractions, because the numerator 32 is greater than denominator 5. That's why we have to convert this one improper fraction to mixed fraction. So now, my dear students, what will be the answer of question number B? Second question, what is the answer of number 2? Please write down in the comments. Sir, I cannot see the board clearly. একটু বাবা তোমরা একজন একটু কমেন্টস করে জানাও. I think হোয়াইট বোর্ড is okay. যদি কারো কোনো প্রবলেম হয় একটু দেখে নাও. Nuzar Jan 16, sir, thank you. It's very easy question. And number 2, like 15 multiply 16 by 15. So we can denominate 15 1 times 15. So now 16 multiply 1. We can write here 16 multiply 1 is equal to 16. So second question answer is 16. Now write in the comment section what will be answer of question number 3. Dear students, okay, we are going to eliminate this one. What is the answer of question number 3? Please write down in the comments. Yes, Farjana Sultana 2 will be 16. Thank you. Number 1, Jubaila is a 2 by 3. Assalamualaikum. 3 number 1 whole 2 by 3. Okay, let me review your answer. Maximum student you are writing the answer is 1 whole 2 by 3. Okay, let me review. Sami Katir ID থেকে বসে 1 will be 16. 1 integer 2 by 3. Thank you. Absolutely right. Ayat Amina Hussain. Okay. Move. Okay, let me review your answer. This is now question number 3. And 3 number questions given here are like 3 by 2 multiply 4 by 3 and multiply 10 by 12. So we can divide 3 by 3. 3 1 times 3, 3 1 times 3. And then 4 how many times? 3 times. 4 3 times. So now here we see, oh, there is a 10, there is 2. So 2 in 5 times. So now what are in the numerator part? 1 multiply 5 or 3. That is the 5 ones are 5 and this is now 3. And the doing divide you will get 1 whole and then 3 by 2. If we do divide this one like 5 divided by 3, 3 1 times 3 and then 2. So now this is 1 whole. The quotient will be whole number and divisor will be denominator here and remainder will be numerator. And so this is our answer. Absolutely right answer, my dear students. Now I will review another maths from the divisions. Okay, let me review 2 maths from the division. Number 1, 15 divide 15 by 20. What will be answer, my dear students? Write in the comments. Now I am giving another one. Number 2, 20 divided by 15, then divide 15 divided by 20, multiply 20 divided by 15. So what will be answer? Number 2. Number 3, another questions I am giving to you. 3 2 by 5 divide 2 5 by 7 multiply 4 1/3. So what will be the answer of these 3 questions? So my dear students, in the comment section you can write the answer. Please do calculate and then try to find out the correct answer. My dear students, please write in the comments. Number 1 already you have done. Thank you so much. Maximum students already done. You wrote here the number 1 answer will be 20. Okay, I will review just few seconds later. So dear students, do number 2. Ridwan Rahat at 1 answer 20. Talha bin Jaman said sir 1 answer will be 20. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum sir. Nausheen 305. Ammo, why you are late? Please now give attention in the class. Yes, already 1 answer is 20. Mumtahina Islam answer is 20. Thank you Ammo. Anika Bushri, yes, what will be the correct answer of 2? So dear students, in the comments now do number 2. I think maximum student you have done. A will be 1. Okay. 1 number 15 divided by 15 by 20. So we all know if we divide, convert it as a multiply. If divide converted as a multiply, then numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. We all know. If we convert this divide into multiply, then numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. Now if we do calculate here, this is now 15 and this is now 1 times. So now finally 1 multiply 20, the answer is 20. Absolutely right answer. Maximum student you have done correctly, and thank you so much. So please now comments, what is the answer of number 2? Number 2, 10 by 27, 10 by 27. Wow, maximum student already done. Okay, let me review. Number 2, 10 by 27. Muhammad Mustafa says the answer is 20. Okay, आपको हम एक तो टेस्ट कर देखी your answer is okay or not. Number 2, 2 by 15. This is the 2 by 15, and then divide 15 by 20, 15 by 20, multiply 20 by 15. Let me review 20 by 15, 15 by 20, and 20 by 15. So now 20 by 15, and this is now converted as a multiply. In times of divide and multiply, we have to first calculate here the divide. We all know the formula of BODMAS, bracket of BO. The formula of BODMAS, that means the first bracket, then of, then divide, then multiplication, then addition, then subtractions. So this is the working method of simplifications. Bracket of divide, multiplication, addition, and subtractions. So if we do not get here any bracket, we have to start it from up. And if there is no up in the calculation, we have to start it from divide. If there is no divide, then we have to start it from multiplication. So in times of divide and multiply, divide calculation will be first, then multiply. So divide is now 15, this one will be 20 by 15, and there is also 20 by 15. So now if we do eliminate this one, what will be answer? My dear students, this is 20 by 15, this one will be 20 by 15, and this is now 20 by 15. 20 by 15, 20 by 15, 20 by 15. So I think maximum student you have done mistake here. Just changes this one. Now do calculate here. There is now, this is now 3 times of 5. There is the 4. Again we can divide this one. This is the 4, and this is the 3 times. Dividing by 5. And there is also 4, and this is now 3 times. So what are 16 and 4? There is now 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. So in the upper side you see here 4 multiply 4 multiply 4, and here 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. And now our answer will be 4 multiply 4, 16. Then 4 multiply 4 equals 16. Now 16 multiply another 4. You will get here 4 4 ja, 4 6 ja, 24, and then 4 1 just 64. So this is now 64 divided by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 64 by 27. Now convert this one into mixed fractions. If we convert this one into mixed fraction, 64 divided by 27. This is now 2 times 4, then carry 1, 2 to the 5, 54, and there is now 10. So my dear students, this answer will be 2 whole and 27. This is 10. I think maximum student you have done mistake. Why? Is there any mistake? 20 by 15 divided 15 by 20, and then 20 divided by 15. This answer is 2 whole 10 by 27. I think তোমরা অনেক স্টুডেন্ট এখানে মিস্টেক করছো। নাম্বার 2 whole 10 by 27, জাকির হোসেন said sir একটু সাইড দেন প্লিজ। হ্যাঁ, এখন একটু তোমরা ভালো করে দেখে নাও। তোমরা ম্যাক্সিমাম স্টুডেন্ট 2 নাম্বারে মিসিং করছো। হোয়াই মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস? Maximum student you have done here mistake in number 2. Please give attention. I think without doing divide you have eliminated this one. That's why your answer is 20 by 50. No. First you have to convert this divide into multiply, then do calculation. My dear students, please be attentive. In the question number 2, maximum student you have done mistake. Please, without doing calculation, do not write the answer. My request to all of you, please do calculation first, then find the correct answer. Without see others copy and others comments, do not write in the answer. I think maximum student you have done mistake in question number B. So I think Ridwan science sets are 2 whole 10 by 27. Now it's okay. My dear students, please be serious. Yes, Ahmed Ahmed. Yes, 2 answer is 2 whole 10 by 27. Thank you, Ridwan. Okay, it's okay. I think absolutely right. Okay, it's okay, my dear student. No need to write here. Sir, I didn't understand question number 2. Tasin server ID থেকে বলছো no clear on my screen. তুমি বলছো যে 2 নাম্বারটি ক্লিয়ার না তোমার কাছে। আমাদের 2 নাম্বারে আমরা মাত্র একটা ক্যালকুলেশন করেছি। This divide converted into multiplied. When any divide converted into multiplied, then this one is called the divisor. My dear students, give attention. This one is called the dividend. This one is called the divisor. Dividend and divisor. This is the divide symbol here. Dividend and divisor. If we convert any divide into multiply, any divide into multiply, then divisor will be changed. Reciprocal. Divisor will be reciprocal. So denominator 15 will be numerator. And numerator 15 will be denominator and this 20 will be numerator. আমি আবার একটু ক্লিয়ার করে বলি, যখন আমরা একটা ডিভাইড কে মাল্টিপ্লাই করব তখন যে ডিভাইজার থাকবে দ্যাট ইজ রাইট সাইড ওয়ান, এটি চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাবে। ডিনোমিনেটর হয়ে যাচ্ছে নিউমারেটর এন্ড নিউমারেটর হয়ে যাচ্ছে ডিনোমিনেটর। দেন এরপরে সিম্পল মাল্টিপ্লাই আমরা যেভাবে করি দেন উই উইল ডু ক্যালকুলেট হিয়ার। সবাইকে আমরা 5 দিয়ে ডিভাইড। This is divided by 5, answer is 4. Divided by 5, answer is 3. Same, 4 by 3, 4 by 3. So now multiply 4 by 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 3. 4 multiply 4 multiply 4, 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. This is 64, 27. Doing the divide, answer is 2 whole 10 by 27. So please now write the comments. Is it now okay? Okay, please, my dear students, in the comments you can write what is the answer of question number 3. Please be attentive and try to calculate properly. My dear students, be attentive and try to calculate properly. Jayed Al-Nahian said, sir, it's okay. Thank you so much. I think you got the point now. Yes sir, Farjana Sultan ID থেকে বলেছে sir, understood properly. Thank you. What is the correct answer of question number 3? Please do calculation. The first step, convert all mixed fraction into improper fractions. First step, convert mixed fraction into improper fractions. Then second step, convert this divide into multiplied. Then do simplification. Okay, I will give you 1 minute. Two whole 10 by 27. Maximum student you are writing. 3 number. Oh my God, you are changing the answer. Okay, dear students, please write. Okay, first we have to convert all mixed fraction into improper fractions. Like this one. This is the 5. 3 multiply 5, 3 multiply 5 plus 2. This is the divide. 7, 2 multiply 7, 2 multiply 7 plus 5, and then this is the 3, so 4 multiply 3 and then plus 1. So now this one will be now 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. This is now divide. This is now divide. 7 2s are 14 plus 5, 19 divided by 7. Then this one will be 13 multiply 3 divided by 3. First do multiply inside the bracket, then do add. First do multiply, then add, because this is the first bracket, then addition. So first calculate inside the bracket. So now the mixed fraction converted into improper fractions. Mixed fraction converted into improper fraction. Now we will this divide first convert into multiply. So 70 by 5. This divide changes to multiply. So now 7 will be upper side, 19 here. And this is now 13 by 3. So my dear students, I think we cannot divide this number here. 17, 7 and 13. This is the prime number. This is also prime number. This is also prime number. So all are prime number and here. So please multiply all numerators number and all denominators, because we cannot divide them. All are prime numbers. So now if we find the multiply here, this will be 17 multiply 7 multiply 13. 17 multiply 7 multiply 13. 5 multiply 19 multiply 3. I think my dear students, please do multiply here. তোমরা একটু multiply করে দেখো। 17 multiply 7 multiply 13. 17 multiply 7 multiply 13. 1547. I think please do multiply here. You will get here 1547. And then do multiply here. 5 multiply 19 multiply 3. 5 multiply 19 multiply 3. 285. 285. Now we will convert this one into improper fractions. So 17 multiply, first you can multiply here 17 multiply 7. Then the result will be multiplied with, this result will be multiplied with 13. First step, multiply 17 multiply 7. Then the result will be multiplied with the 13. 5 multiply 19 and then result will be multiplied with 3. Now we see here, this is the improper fractions. Please convert this one. One 1547 divided by 285. All are, so if we do here the 5 times, okay, do divide this one. 285 divided by 1547. If we write the 5 times, 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 2, 42, 2 carry 4, and 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4, 14. And this is now 7, 2, there is a 2 and there is another 1. So now we can write here, this one will be 7, 12, 2. Okay, now this answer will be 5 whole, and then 5 whole 28, 285, and the remainder is 122. So my dear students, please review your answer with me. 5 times of 285, 1425 minus 1547, 122. So 122 divided by 285. There is no divide. My dear students, please write down this one. Yes, 5 whole 122 divided by 285. Arifin ID থেকে বলছো, absolutely right answer. Thank you so much. Tawhid Ahmed, same answer. Fatima Binte, no, thank you. This is very easy because all are prime numbers, so we cannot divide by the denominators. Here numerator 17, 19, 13, all are prime numbers. We all know prime numbers are the numbers those who cannot be divided by any other number except itself or 1. So here 17 cannot be divided by any other numbers except 17 or 1. 19 is also same, 13 is also same. So all are prime number. Multiplying them, result is this one. Multiplying all denominators, result is this one. This is now improper fractions, so we will convert this one into proper fractions. So I think our addition and simplification, this is the part is from simplification, and the division work and simplification work is also done. This is the simplification is done. Now another topic is HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM. So we have to write down the two formula here, HCF and LCM. Just 1 minute remaining. Just we will discuss the formula, and then HCF of two fractions. We can write down the formula here. So the two formula. My dear students, write down the formula. HCF of fractions is equal, HCF of fractions is equal HCF of all numerators. And this one is LCM of all numerators. This is the formula to find the HCF. To find the HCF, inshallah, the next class we will discuss this formula briefly. Formula number 2, LCM of fraction is equal to, then find the LCM of all numerators. HCF of all denominators. So there, my dear students, this is the two formula how to find the HCF and LCM. Inshallah, next class we will discuss HCF and LCM of fractions. HCF and LCM of fractions. From the next class we will discuss HCF and LCM of fractions. I I think you have completed this one. So dear students, please let me know any more comments about the class. If you have any question, please let me know. Inshallah, by using these two formula, HCF formula is LCM formula, how to find the HCF of two or more fractions and how to find the LCM of two or more fractions. Inshallah, next class we will solve finding the HCF and LCM of two or more fractions by using these two formula. Okay, you have no questions? Okay, thank you my dear students. Hope to see you all in the next classes. If you have no questions, next Sunday inshallah we will discuss HCF and LCM. This is one of the most important topics here. So now I will give you two homeworks. Please note down this one. Just practice this one. Question exercise 1.5 number 1. Exercise 1.5 number 1, B and number C. And from number 2 I am giving you one divide, then number A and number C. From the simplifications, do question number 3. From simplifications, do question number B and C. Do question number B and C. So my dear students, this is your homework. From exercise 1.5, question number 1, B and C, 1, B and C, 2, A and C, 3, B and C. Inshallah, next class we will start it HCF and LCM. Okay, dear students, thank you so much. Hopefully see again with you in the next classes and wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.